If you want to make money with YouTube, but you do not want to show your face or invest in expensive tools, this beginner-friendly side hustle system could be exactly what you need. Designed for beginners, students, and working professionals, this method skips the complicated steps and focuses on clarity. You will learn exactly what to do, how to do it, and why it works. No advanced skills are required, and it works worldwide. The biggest advantage here is structure. Instead of wasting months on random tutorials or overpriced courses, you get a straightforward plan that is practical, affordable, and focused on beginners. This system guides you step by step, making it easy to follow even if you have zero experience. You will discover simple video strategies and clear monetization guidance, so you can start earning without confusion. The focus is on creating content that works, not on fancy equipment or editing software. While there is no guaranteed income, the potential is real if you put in the effort. This is not for lazy people or those expecting instant results, but for those ready to build something smart and sustainable.